doing a review. This is a review on Hornady Black 223 ammunition 75 grain. This is going to be short because it's that good, and usually when stuff is that good you don't have a whole lot to say about it. It's when it's bad is when you tend to start carrying on about it. But this is that good. I mean, done all the close enough ballistic tests with it. Deep penetration, expansion tests, everything else, and it's just been performing beyond expectations. And now ran it out in the woods, did a headshot on a hog, and it literally, I mean, it drops them. I mean, outstanding. Even on the headshot, here y'all go. Y'all see this? It actually blew the backside out of the hole in it. And that's a 223 round doing that on a hog. I mean, I've had it before where 223 rounds are questionable on dropping it on the headshot on the first try. You might get it to roll over, and then you might need it to take a second shot. But this definitely, every time it hits, explodes inside, and it's down. It's not going to go anywhere. Did a neck shot on it as well, on a spike buck. Check this out. Dropped it right on the spot. Here's the exit wound of it. Outstanding bullet. Is definitely a great round. These are, at the muzzle, 2790 feet per second. The energy off the top of my head is like 1200, I believe, 1210, somewhere in there. But so far it is, like I said, this bullet has exceeded every expectation I could possibly have. And has definitely, before I was always, 223, you can hunt with it and everything else. But this right here actually puts the 223 back into being a superb caliber to hunt with. Mid-sized game, whitetail deer, hogs, headshots. I mean, the accuracy, everything is just outstanding. The punch it hits when it goes and just knocks everything down. It's a great bullet. And there you go. Hornady Black. That's my review. Short and sweet.